Hi everybody, Dave Matthews here for Champion Trading. What we're excited to show you today, this is a flood type filler for a lipstick mold or any other hot pour material you might be using that's a molded product. It's made by C-Flow out in Long Island, and we're going to give you a brief overview. In here in the cabinet, it comes with 10 molds. These are pretty much a standard lipstick mold. They're measuring about, bullet type lipstick measuring about 12 millimeters. The lipstick mold pops open after it's been filled, and the operator can spread this and remove the lipsticks once they've solidified. So what happens in the process of use, we have a mold already inside the unit. It's designed to be manually loaded right here in this drawer, where an operator will load the mold into the carrier, pull it in, and we're going to open this up so you can get a better look here. There's a small drawer here. We can take the cover off to show you later. And you'll see it has 16 nozzles across there. Over here on the control panel, then once he's completed that function, he hits run. It's going to raise, it's set for a very short fill time right now for purposes of this video. We'd open it out, remove the mold, and then go through the process again. So we're going to give you a look at that as it comes in. There's a drip tray in place right now at this point. Drip tray clears, mold raises up, does the fill cycle, returns the drip tray, and we're ready for the next mold. There's 10 molds in here with it. It has an inlet and outlet through the system, because with most hot pour materials, you want to be circulating your material through the system at all times. On the top, you'll see that's a Lester, a Swiss-made heating system, and on the control panel, you'll see it has a temperature for the actual product as well as the temperature inside the chamber, and it's climbing right now to its set points. Has an emergency stop, variable speed. On the end, right here, this is an agitator which is actually inside the block itself. And we have some of the pictures in the listing where you'll see that with the cover taken off here. It's a real unique little unit for small production. Each time there are inside the control system. In fact, let's show you that right now. There's if you come around this side, and here's the control system in here. That's for the lift system, you see. Everything's in excellent condition, as most equipment from a laboratory or pilot type operation usually is. Okay, so we're going to open this up again. Give you one more look. If you come right here, Tim. Show you that fill cycle again. So the operator hits the run button, drip tray clears, mold up, fill, return. You can go through the functions in here, and your fill time is right here to be able to set your fill time to different modes. So cleaning, purge mode, descaling. Very simple. It's operating on 220 single phase voltage. It does require air, obviously. One of many items for cosmetic packaging in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Thanks for joining us for this video today, and we look forward to seeing you. Bye.